2 emergency exits in the rear, 4 over the wings, and 2 in the front. All emergency exits are indicated by exit signs. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings. Check your closest exit row. It may be behind you. In the event of a water landing, the evacuation site. We will now show you how to open and close your seatbelt. For safety reasons, you are required to keep your seatbelt fastened for takeoff and landing and whenever you're seated. Secure infants with the infant belt, which will be provided by your cabin crew. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the lavatories may not be used. We are now going to show you how to use the oxygen masks. The yellow oxygen masks are located overhead. In case of loss of cabin pressure, the mask will automatically appear. If a red strap appears, pull it down to reach your mask. Take the nearest mask and place it over your nose and mouth. Secure the oxygen mask by placing the elastic band around your head. Then help children and other passengers continue breathing normally. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the safety instructions card. The safety instructions card is in your seat pocket. It contains useful information about various procedures and the use and location of the safety equipment. Therefore, read it carefully prior to takeoff. For safety reasons, please securely stow away any larger items, such as laptops for taxiing, takeoff and landing. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be held firmly in your hand during these times or be stowed away too. If your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke, please inform our cabin crew immediately. The use of the power outlets is permitted after takeoff, provided the electronic device is visible during charging. Power banks and e-cigarettes may not be stored in overhead bins. Both the use and the charging of power banks and e-cigarettes is not permitted on board. As we are now preparing for takeoff, make sure that the window blinds are open, your seat back is in the upright position and your table is folded away. Please also disconnect all electronic devices from the power outlets. Check that your carry-on baggage is properly stored in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. In bulkhead and emergency exit rows, any carry-on baggage has to be stored in the overhead bins. In case of an evacuation, leave your carry-on baggage behind. Smoking and vaping, including the use of e-cigarettes and all smoking devices or alternatives, are strictly prohibited on board. This includes the lavatories, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We would like to remind you that only alcohol served by the cabin crew may be consumed on board. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated and may be prosecuted. For safety, crew instructions must be followed at all times and all cabin signs must be adhered to. If you have any further questions, please contact a member of the cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.
departure.
Liebe Gäste, aus Sicherheitsgründen sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, wann immer Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben oder das entsprechende Leuchtzeichen eingeschaltet ist. Öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen bitte vorsichtig, da Gegenstände herausfallen können. Dear passengers, for safety reasons, you require to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage racks carefully, as objects could fall out.